From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. We are tracking the tropics. We're watching this low pressure system just east of the Bahamas. Latest from the National Hurricane Center is they give this area of low pressure a moderate or medium chance of further development over the next 2 days. So if you like the numbers, about a 40% chance as it does move generally towards the northwest. It's going to increase the moisture for us here across the Midland. So this is something we'll be watching pretty closely. A little bit of a sneaky system here. You can kind of see our satellite loop showing a little bit of a rotation, officially being called Invest 92L, a tropical wave at this point moving towards the west-northwest at 14 miles per hour, winds of 35 miles per hour. These are the spaghetti models pushing this towards the coast of Florida and then kind of turning it more towards the north and eventually towards the north and east. So again, this will be something we'll have to watch closely through tomorrow. Forecast model shows a rotation there. You can kind of see it here. This is our in-house forecast model showing that rotation. This is Thursday or tonight at 8 o'clock. You notice it continues to push towards Florida and Georgia, bringing in some moisture for us. This is Friday, early Friday morning, and as we get to about 9 o'clock Friday morning, a pretty good little rotation here. So again, maybe a sneaky system that could develop into something as we go into the last day of the work week. This is Friday afternoon. You still have that rotation, that moisture building into parts of South Carolina, Georgia, and even Florida. And then as we go into Friday evening, still more moisture kind of moving in for parts of the Carolinas, Georgia, and even down towards Florida. So again, this will be a system we'll kind of have to watch pretty closely. If you are going to be heading to the coast, there is a high risk for dangerous rip currents. So the surf is going to be dangerous for all swimmers. You do want to heed the advice of the local beach patrol if you are going to be heading to the coast. As far as our forecast is concerned, closer to home in South Carolina, the moisture increasing will bring us a chance for some of that much needed rainfall. Friday, 1 o'clock, you see that rain kind of moving through parts of the Midlands and South Carolina. This is 5 o'clock Friday afternoon. More showers and thunderstorms will be possible during the heat of the day, and then 7 o'clock more the same. Once we lose the daytime heating, those chances for rain will start to decrease, but with all that moisture in place, not going to rule out a couple of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday as well, and maybe even into Sunday. So Alberto made landfall earlier this morning. There's the rest of the names there. We'll have to see if we get Beryl anytime soon. But if that disturbance that's off the southeastern coast does get better developed and becomes a name, it'll be called Beryl. But hurricane season, very long season, runs through November 30th. The peak is September 10th, with most of the activity occurring between mid-August and mid-October. But that will be a system we'll have to continue to monitor through the weekend.